This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden. Comfortable, carefree and convenient 3-bedroom, 2-bath Rambler in Lakepointe, block away from park, close to amenities and JBLM. Move in and enjoy brand new carpets and furnace, newer hot water heater, 2016, and roof, 2015. Bright, open floor plan west/kitchen island, eat-in space and cozy gas fireplace in living room west/vaulted ceilings. Greenbelt in back for added privacy. Seller prepped home for sale, there's even a new crawlspace vapor barrier. Appliances work but not warrantied. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206-406-6357.